Dr. Coskren, this time on mathematics. Here are some nice, interesting problems, two of which are easy to solve, and the third one doesn't yet have a solution. Nobody's found it. First, do the integers, the regular counting numbers, go on forever? And that one is obvious. There is no biggest counting number because however big you go, you can always add one. And so it'll never stop. However big you go, there's always a next one. Now, for the prime numbers, those are the numbers that can't be divided evenly by any integers except 1 and themselves, like 13 or 11 or 2. They go on forever, and you can prove it by assuming first that they don't. If they don't go on forever, then there's a finite number of them, and you take all those prime numbers and multiply them together and add 1. Ooh, that means that if you divide it by any of the prime numbers, you have a remainder of 1. That means it has to be a prime number itself. But I just said we had all the prime numbers in that list that we multiplied. Well, okay, let's assume we got it wrong. In that case, we take all the new prime numbers, including the new one, and we do the same thing over again. We multiply them all together, add 1, and we still get a bigger one. And this can go on forever. Therefore, the prime numbers go on forever. There isn't a biggest one. Now, here's the one that isn't solved. Twin prime numbers are prime numbers that are separated by 2, like 5 and 7, 41 and 43 are prime numbers, twin primes. Do they go on forever? And the answer is, we don't know. Nobody has ever found out. We suspect that they do. That's called a conjecture. Basically, it's a wild-ass guess. Now, people are trying to prove it, but nobody has yet found the way to do it. If you can do it, you'll be famous. I'm not sure about rich, but famous, yes, among a very small group of people, of course.
Thank you, sir. Very nice again.